Hi everyone, welcome back to African Real Estate. Today we are in Ruiru Mugutha and we are going to show you something very special. Before we do that, I'm going to give you a snippet of what is happening and then we'll get into it. As I mentioned, we are in Ruiru Mugutha and this development has been done by one of the developers. What you see right now has been sold out, 8 units. Each had a print area of around 280 square meters. But next to this one, we are doing another estate that is going for 21 million Kenya shillings. The print area has improved from 280 square meters to 330 square meters. From there, add from the drone shots. What do you think? Before you type what you think, take a minute and subscribe to this channel. As always, this is African Real Estate and behind the microphone is your guy, Mr. Mongai Kihara. The units have been done very well. If there is something that I love about them, is the facade. Just look at the units. Wouldn't you want to live here? And if you don't want to live here, think about your family. Don't they want to live here? To be specific, we are exactly 200 meters from the tarmac at exactly 2.5 kilometers, actually 2.5 kilometers from Thika Superhighway, the famous Thika Superhighway. And these developments have been done for all of you. It doesn't matter where you come from. Even if you're in diaspora, this is exactly what you need. 5 bedrooms for you and your family. Each unit has been separated from the other by this driveway, and the driveway is wide enough to fit 2 cars. Each unit is in its own compound, but the development that we are doing, each unit will have a separate gate to your unit, and the unit is bigger and the lot is actually bigger than what you can see right now. From there, you can see that the unit that we are showing right now has a double gate, which is metal casement, and it opens to your parking. The parking is big for 4 cars, not more than that. If you have more than 4 cars, at least you need to take the new units because the parking will be actually bigger, maybe up to 6 cars. And as you can see, you have a small walkway that can take you around the unit, and that's where we have done the biodigester. On my far front, you can see we have the front yard, which is green. It's good for your kids to enjoy, and the parking is huge, as I mentioned, around 5 to 6 meters. That is perfect. Each unit comes with an external tap, and that would be used to wash your pets or maybe your cars. And as you can see, the perimeter wall surrounding each unit is tall enough to give you enough privacy. The grass is just soft. I love it. Okay, let's walk inside. How do you like the entrance? It is a double door and it welcomes you to this living room. It has been done exceptionally well. I'm loving the double volume ceilings. Actually, it is 24-foot ceilings. From there, you can agree with me that this developer has stepped beyond what has been done normally and is giving you exceptional finishes. You are also getting mahogany on that side as the staircase to take you to the upper levels. Just look at this. Lovely, lovely, lovely. The amount of light that you get in this living room is just incomparable to any other unit. And from the living room, you get an opening to the dining area, which would actually fit a 6-seater all the way to an 8-seater dining set. You are also getting a wash basin where you can wash your hands, and as you can see, the ceiling of the dining area comes with these beautiful mahogany rafters. The dining area is opening to the kitchen, which comes with actual functional island. And you are also getting a fully fitted kitchen. The oven and the microwave have not been installed, but they will be there by the time you are coming to see this unit for yourself. The black and white are contrasting very well as they are making this kitchen look very posh. On the other side, you can see you have a space for your side-by-side refrigerator, and next to it you have an access to your pantry. Beautiful space and enough space for all your dry foods. That door is supposed to take you to the laundry area, and from there you can get some space for you to do your washer and your dryer. And on the opposite side you have your clothesline space. Enough space, you have sockets to serve both of the machines, and on my far front you have your clothesline area. You can fix it like that, or you can put it down if you want to use the space for other activities. Right now the developer is working on the clothing area, so by the time you are coming it will be fully functional. Let me take you back inside. We are in the dining area, and we have two bedrooms on the lower level, one on the right and another one on the left. What I want you to check is the size of these bedrooms and the finishings that you get. This is the first bedroom, done excellently. Just look at the size of the window. I'm loving it. More than 5 feet, and you get very high ceilings, side lights to make sure that everything is perfect and the mood has been put to the optimum. You get a floor to ceiling closet, white in color. Just note that, white in color, and the partitionings have been done perfectly. This is actually what you need for all your type of clothes. From there you can see that each bedroom will come en suite, and each bathroom comes with a vanity. You have a WC at the center, and on the far end you get a shower cubicle. Grass separation will be added. That's what the developer is working on right now, and you are also getting a handheld and a rain shower. Let's see the second bedroom. Before we see the second bedroom, you have a space that has been left for your shoes. It is a shoe rack, and it has been done very well. It can fit up to 50 shoes. Opposite that, you have the common washroom, adopting a similar concept to the other bathroom that we saw. Right now we are at the second bedroom. This bedroom is slightly smaller. It is targeting the guests. It is slightly smaller than the first one, and it comes with the smallest closet. The closet is not my cup of tea. I like what the developer has done with this unit, but that closet would give you much more usability if it was a bit bigger. This bedroom also comes en suite. From there we walk through the living space. We take the mahogany staircase and up to the first level. Interesting. Just look at the climb. I'm enjoying. From up there you get a perfect view of the chandelier and a perfect view of the double volume that you get in this unit. The staircase lands you to the family room, and this is where you should spend personal time with your family, where you can discuss business or family matters, and it gives you enough windows for good natural light. You have a space where you can install a TV, add enough sockets for you to charge all your gadgets. At the center you are getting a beautiful center light, and this is supposed to improve the aesthetics of that space. Next to the family room you have another room which is targeting maybe your kids or maybe your small kids, because those kids should be living next to the primary bedroom. In case they have a problem, you'll be able to notice. The bedroom is big enough to fit a 5x6 bed. The closet has been done very well, partitioned very well. I'm loving it. It's very interesting. Floor to ceiling, and next to it you get the bathroom. Coming fully fitted as usual, and with all the fixtures that you may require. This bedroom also comes with a very beautiful handheld, and as you can see, I'm trying to demonstrate how you can shower with it. Okay, I'm actually a tall person, but this is a good shower head. For only 21 million Kenya shillings, most developers are not giving you that. From this bedroom, we walk directly to the primary bedroom, and the primary bedroom is giving you the wow factor of this unit. Just look at the walkway from the family room to the primary bedroom, and from there you get a perfect view of the chandelier and a perfect view of the living room. Beautiful, beautiful space. This unit is a masterpiece. I welcome you to the primary bedroom. As you can see, it comes with a walk-in closet, enough spaces for you and your partner to do all the clothing. You can keep all type of clothes in this closet because the spaces have been done very well, partitioned very well, and enough for two people. Even if your appetite for shopping is on another level, this developer was able to cater for your demands. I'm liking the number of drawers that you can get, and this becomes very important, especially when you have small clothes, like maybe your underwear, ties, small clothes that you don't need to fold or hang in the closet. Drawers come in handy. As you can see, the sleeping space of this bedroom is enough for you and your partner, and you can actually do a 6x6 bed. From there, you can see the balcony of this primary bedroom is giving you the best view of this estate. Going back, I'm going to take you to the primary bathroom. This developer provided a space for a jacuzzi. That one is an extra in this unit, but for the unit that we are doing, that one will come standard. You are also getting a vanity for you and your partner, and on top of it, you have a space which can be used to keep your toiletries, and also it comes as a functional mirror. This bathroom also comes with a shower cubicle and a WC. You also get an extras like towel holders, compartments to keep your soap, the soap holders. You get a glass door to the shower cubicle, and everything in this bedroom has been done to the optimum just to make sure that this is a posh living in Thika Road. From here, we walk straight to the other level. That is where you should have the roof deck, but you are also going to get an extra room on the roof deck. But before we do that, just look at this view. Wouldn't you want to start there and see your success? Something very nice. I like it. I like the staircase. Actually, it is not a normal design. It looks a bit risky, but I would actually take this staircase over any other because it's very posh, very classy, very well done. On the upper level, on the uppermost level, you get this extra room which can be used as a bedroom, or you can use it as an office or a study depending on your preferences. The developer was able to give this room 2 big windows for enough natural light so that it can serve any of the purposes that I mentioned. You also get a Jack and Jill bathroom which can be accessed from that room, and also it can be accessed from outside. We will see that in a few. As you can see, the developer has given you an ample space, almost 120 square meters of roof deck, and this would be perfect for your kids who like enjoying their games, or if you have an event, this space would be excellent. From here, from the roof deck, you get the perfect view of this locality, and as you can see, your neighbors are very rich. This is the bathroom that I mentioned. It is a Jack and Jill. It can be accessed from outside, and the developer is planning to add a urinal just to make it easy for the boys. On top of the unit, you can see that you are getting a solar water heater, and that comes in handy, especially when you have a 5-bedroom unit with a big family. You have a space here that gives you an access to extra spaces where you can plant your flowers if you like planting flowers, and a small gate too. access your flower garden or maybe water your plants. This is the developer was able to think about everything. I like it. You can smell or feel the experience that the developer has for such a unit. The roof deck comes terrazzo paved, and that makes sure that water wouldn't seep into your unit at any time. Hata kukuwe na El Nino tano zimefuatana, no drop of water will seep into your unit. What I love about this unit is the beauty of the environment, beauty of the estate, and the craziness of this unit. Call us in the number that will be attached in the first comment. Bye bye.